Hello children. Which food item do you like most? I like ice cream very much. Do you know that ice cream is made using milk? Yes. Where do we get milk from? Animals like cows, buffaloes, goats, etc. give us milk. So, we eat varieties of food in our daily life. Our food habits are differing a lot. Some persons prefer to consume food obtained from plants and some from animals. I am Bindu. Let us know about the topic Production of Food from Animals of Class 8 Biology. What are the food items that are obtained from animals? Are they obtained directly from animals or processing is required? We rate a number of animals for food. Farmers adopt different methods of management for getting better yields in agriculture. In the same way, care is also required in the management of rearing animals. Providing food, shelter, protection, and breeding of animals is called animal husbandry. For a long time, we have been using animals not only for obtaining food, but also for agriculture, transportation, etc. We realized their importance and domesticated them. Do you know the period from which wild animals were being tamed? See the following table. Why did we domesticate only some of the animals? We domesticate only such of these animals which are helpful to us: buffalo, cows, etc. are reared for milk. Hence, goat and sheep for meat, and ox, horses, bulls, and donkeys for agriculture and transportation. Food production is the main aim of rearing animals. Can we get all nutrients required for our body by eating only plants? We get our food from plants, but food production from plants alone does not fulfill all our needs. So we need food from animals too. The production of food from animals is as important as agriculture in our country. Learning objectives. After the completion of this lesson, you will be able to know cattle rearing, milk production, practices in livestock keeping, artificial insemination. Keywords: animal husbandry, livestock, Jersey, Holstein, White Revolution, pasteurization, biogas. In our country, farmers believe that animal husbandry is part and parcel of agriculture. Let's see the concept map on animal husbandry. Cattle rearing. People living in rural areas used to domesticate animals like cows, buffaloes, bullocks, goats, sheep, pigs, hens, etc., supplying nutritious food and accommodating clear and hygienic shelters for animals is very important issue in animal husbandry. Generally, villagers send their animals to graze at places where the grass is easily available. Some of the farmers keep their cattle in the sheds. They do not take their cattle to the fields. They supply fodder in those sheds. Rearing cattle like bulls, cows and buffaloes on large scale is also the same in sheds. Generally, the farmers in our country are cultivating a land area of less than 1 hectare. Even though mechanization is increasing in agriculture, farmers use bullocks for ploughing and other agriculture practices. The rearing of goats and sheep is also related to agriculture. Besides agriculture, cattle rearing and sheep rearing are beneficial to farmers. During the off-season for cropping, cattle rearers make fences in the fields at off-crop seasons. They keep their sheep and goats in fenced enclosures. Taking care of animal health is an equally important task in animal husbandry. Most of the time, cattle sheds become unclean because of the remains of fodder, dung, and urine. Dump these waste away from the shed. Care should be taken to prevent the growth of lice and mites on cattle bodies. Foot and mouth disease is a common and dangerous disease, partially in cows and buffaloes. Sheep and goats suffer from worm infections. Some parasitic diseases cause damage to the liver and intestine. Viral and bacterial diseases also affect milk production. Particularly in the rainy season, cattle are disturbed by mosquito bites. Cattle can be protected by covering mosquito nets. Veterinary doctors provide treatment and health care for these cattle. What we have learned so far? Providing food, shelter, and protection to cattle to get milk, meat, and other purposes are collectively called animal husbandry. Rearing cattle in rural areas is a traditional practice.